Hi everyone. Today it will be just a short guide about the Unity installation and just a fast preview of its tabs and windows. So let's get started. I'm on unity.com website, so just go download. Download for Windows, or if you have a Mac or Linux, you could choose your version. I will choose download for Windows. And then after downloading and installation, you should find this Unity hub on your display. So let's just open it. Um, I already installed some versions of Unity, but if you install your Unity Hub in the first time, you need to install it. And I have a Unity 6, two versions of Unity 6 here, and you need to press this install editor and choose what version of Unity you would like to install. This LTS means that this is like the most stable or version of Unity. So I recommend to install LTS versions, and then just click install. And here you could choose a different modules which you'd like to install with this version of Unity. For example, for Android, uh, if you'd like to make games for Android, you need to install this Android build support, or for iOS and so on. And also you could install Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 for writing your scripts as well. So now just choose the modules which you would like to install and press continue or install, and this version of Unity will be installed. If in by some reason you didn't install these modules with your Unity version with the first installation, you could just press this button in front of your Unity version and add modules, and choose what module you would like to install later for this version. Okay. When you installed this Unity version, you could create your first project, go to project then, and here just new project. On the top of this window, you could choose what version of Unity you would like to use, and then you could also choose which you could choose a template for your game, if it should be a 2D game or 3D game or mobile game, and so on. I will choose a universal 3D game. It's like this universal, it's universal rendering pipeline. It's the most recommended pipeline for now, and we will choose this one. Here you could just write the name of your project. For example, I will press not press I will select, I don't know, just a test, and I don't want to connect it with the Unity Cloud. I don't need it for this testing project. So then just create a project. We will wait for a few seconds or minutes. It takes some time to create a new project. So let's wait. Perfect. So let's have a quick look what we have here. So first of all, we have this README file for a universal rendering pipeline here. If you are interested in it, you could read it. If not, we will just remove this for now. Perfect. So let's have a look on different kind of windows which we have here. The biggest window is a scene window. This is a window where you will actually create your game. You will put there a different game object, different effects, and so on. Actually, every object which you would like to have in your game, you will add to your scene. Then, in the bottom of a display, you could find a game tab, which shows gameplay of your game when we will press this play button. So this will show you how a player could see your game. Then on the left side you could find a hierarchy window. This is a window of like hierarchy of all objects in your scene. So you could click on different objects here and it will show you where in a scene it's located. If you will press a right click on a hierarchy, you could create here different kind of objects. For example, you could create just an empty game object like this, and if you will select it on the right side in our inspector tab, inspector window, we could see what component is added to our game object. By default, every game object in a scene has a transform component which shows us a position, rotation, and scale of our object. But you could add any another object to your game. I'm sorry, you could add any another component to your game object to just press this add component button. For example, these different effects, rigid body, collider, scripts, actually wherever we want. And then in the left part, in the left corner of Unity, you could find the project tab, which show you every assets, every folder, every script which we use in our project, in our game. Then we could find here also a console tab, which is actually very useful for troubleshooting because it shows you every bug message, error message. You could use it for debugging, and if something wrong with the code or with something else in your game, you could always find here some useful information. So it's really a very good tool for troubleshooting. Okay. Unity actually has much more another tools and windows which you could find here in the window tab, and just choose what you need. But here by default we have this the most common, the most using tabs. Okay, so that was a rather quick tour, and in the next videos we will look closer to another options of Unity. Okay, so see you in the next video.